You may now take your seats. May I call on the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rebecca D. Miranda, to have the honor of presenting to the President.
17 from the School of Physical Therapy. 15 from the School of Radiology Technology.
Uy, ang grabe, ang dami.
3 from the School of Respiratory Therapy. Total of 800
Wow.
They have been recommended by the respective faculty instructed
Sa 800 na yan.
leading to the respective degree programs and titles. I certify on my honor that they have satisfactorily complied with the requirements.
You can go to one of our trustees, Dean Laura Remuto. May I request you to stand up? She is also giving scholarships to take medicine, but you will have to be prepared to form in the Manila campus. Okay? So let me now confer your degrees. By virtue of the Emilio Aguinaldo Educational Corporation, through the authority of the Philippine Commission on Higher Education, on the presentation and certification by the respective deans and the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rebecca Miranda, I hereby confer upon you the diploma for your respective degrees and titles with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. I now declare you graduates of Emilio Aguinaldo College, Cavite, batch of 2026. Congratulations! You will now be receiving your diploma. Please be seated. Let us now proceed with the awarding of diplomas and titles for baccalaureate programs. We would like to request
S. Romero, cum laude, registered midwife. Angeline C. Villegas, registered midwife. Bachelor of Science in Nursing as of July 2025. Giancarlo G. Clamosa, registered nurse. Bachelor of Science in Nursing as of June 2026. Pauline A. Abrasha. Justine Juan B. Acuba. Laika L. Adauria. Patrick Martin Gabriel E. Abor. Clarence Aurelia Abramo. Joshua Luis S. Aguilar. Clizelle May C. Ala, cum laude. Ellen Grace N. Alarzar. Daniela Sheehan V. Allegra, cum laude.
Mas malinaw.
Parang mas malinaw dito.
Oo nga, para mas... Doon kasi ang daming ulo, hindi mo makita. Mamaya nga dyan ako.
Blanche Erica.
Mas maano dito.
A. Alonso.
Oo, dito sa kabila.
Hmm.
Doon kasi hindi ba...
Rosemary C.
Mababa doon.
Oo.
Katrina Chloe A. De Los Santos, cum laude.
Malapit ako, pwede ko picture lang ako. Malapit na. Malapit na ako.
Patricia S. Daluta. Keneline May T. Delito. Nixon Ray E. Song. Mayshin A. Elder. Kyla Nicole Joshua N. El Nassim, cum laude. Angelica Ina May A. Efrenio. Nagarino. At this juncture, may we request Sir Leonard Frederick Galion to join Miss Asenjo in the awarding of diploma. Thank you, Dr. Galion. Desiree Kim L. Gagarino. Jana May P. Alban. Eliza J. T. Gamba. Darius Clark N. Cayetano N. Garcia. Christine Stephanie L. Garcia, cum laude. Janine B. Garcia. Gimori Faith Margaret D. Garcia. Cyril B. Garcia. Lynette Micaela O. Gatchalian, cum laude. Althea A. Slade and Gagmaitan. Bibi Marie B. Kenteroy. Kenneth Louis C. Geraldo. Sherry Bradley De Castro Giron. Bea Hazel Diana Hicos. Chelsea Olay C. Jimena. Nicole S. Gloria. Ayemi Claire B. Gonzalez. Julienne A.C. N. Gonzalez. Frances Ann B. Borrero. Red Elias B. Brasilia, cum laude. Francis O. Barbata. Paula May A. Guevara. Rona Lisa A. Gimbaligo. Bea S. Binto.